Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can combine videos using the mask feature on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to place these two videos on top. On the second one, just hit the mask button and select the horizontal one. And you can either split it this way or the other way. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to split it this way, and then I'm going to feather it out to kind of blend them in a little bit more. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can blend two videos together using the mask feature on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!